Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Paneer Posto. The ingredients for this is ginger garlic paste, onions with 2 red chilies, grinded posto, tomato puree, paneer and onion paste, grinded onion. Put 2 tablespoons of oil. After that, put the onion to fry and also the red chilies. After that, put the paneer to fry. Stir it well. The onions should turn brown. And also the paneer should turn brown after some time. Keep on stirring it. As you see now, the paneer has turned a bit brownish. Now we are going to put 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I am getting the smell of ginger and the garlic now. After that, we are going to put the onion paste. Mix it well, stir it well. Sprinkle some salt over it. Now add the tomato puree. 3 spoons of it, tablespoons. Mix it well. How is it looking, guys? Now let it cook like this for some time in low flame. Keep it covered, as you see. Keep stirring it from time to time or it will get stuck. And then again close the lid. Make sure the flame is at low. Let it cook like this. As you see, the paneer has turned a bit brownish. Now we are going to put the posto. Grinded posto to be precise. After that, add water. Stir the mixture good. It should be mixed well. Let it cook like this for some time and then put the lid on it. Remember, the flame should be on low. Let it cook like this till the water dries up. It is looking delicious, isn't it? Comment down below. The water has dried up now, as you see. Make sure it didn't get stuck to the frying pan. It has been cooked now. This is the final image of the Paneer Posto. Hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to my channel.